friends, we are going to learn time poems. Listen, repeat, read aloud and sing. The poem's name is The Day. 12 good hours in every day, 12 good hours in every day. Time for work and time for play, time for work and time for play. 24 for day and night, 24 for day and night. Some for darkness, some for light, some for darkness, some for light, some for darkness, some for light. The next poem. The poem's name is The Months. 30 days has September, April, June and November. 30 days has September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone. All the rest have 31 except February alone. That has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. That has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. The last poem. The poem's name is Old Man Moon. The moon is very, very old. The moon is very, very old. The reason why is clear. The reason why is clear. He gets a birthday once a month instead of once a year. He gets a birthday once a month instead of once a year. Thank you. I think you enjoyed all these 3 poems. Now, a homework for you. Copy any poem of your choice in good handwriting and draw suitable pictures for it. Thank you.